Hello everyone and welcome to another video by Less Tax to Pay. Today we're going to be looking at FreeAgent and how to create purchase invoices, or bills as they call it. So this is very much for your suppliers, if you have 30-day accounts, or if it's your general suppliers that you pay with purchase. So we're going to be doing that. Before I do, if you're new here, please subscribe. It'll be handy for you because we're going to be releasing videos every week on FreeAgent and other pieces of software and automation tools that are good for small businesses. Hit that bell notification. Also drop a like and a comment, just even is to say thank you very much, or I've actually got a couple of queries that I just need to clarify something in my mind. We reply to every single comment, but let's get into the video. So we've got our dashboard here, as you can see. So I now want to create some bills. So we have a couple of options. We can go to bills, add a new bill, and very quickly add ABC Construction, give it the reference, which could be the invoice number. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. The bill date, the amount. So if it's £1,200 including VAT, you can set the amount or you can leave it to auto. UK VAT rates, that's fine. The category that it falls under, so it could be motor expenses, for instance. Any comments? You can add if it's linked to a particular project, and then we'll cover projects in a different video, so you can see that it's very, very clear that you link it to a project to make sure that your your project is profitable. And we'll get into that about checking the profitability. If this is a recurring invoice, you can set that it's weekly, 2 weekly, 4 week, monthly. You can see there the different options, and it will recur forever if you leave the end date blank. So if I said it was monthly, it would say recurs until when. So it could be that if you're in a contract for, say, your internet provider and you don't want to keep entering it and it's the same every month, then you can do that. Make sure you automate your process as much as possible. You can then attach a file if you've got a copy of it on your machine, or as a photo and you send it to yourself, you can attach a file for later. And then all you do is either, if it's the only one, create and finish. If it's you're adding several, create and add another. So I'll go create and add another. You can see that's now been created. I can add a new contact, so I can give myself Darren Fagan, GHI Consultancy, reference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the date's today. I'm going to do £1,200, leave it as VAT. This is going to be consulting, consulting on IT systems and accountancy software training. So as you can see, working in an accountancy practice, obviously coming from an IT background, then I can link it to a project if it's part of a project. No, it doesn't recur. Create and finish. You can see there you go, it's included, worked out the VAT for you. If I go to click on bills again, you can see there that it recurs. The first one recurs monthly. Next recurs on the 22nd of April. The next one below is a non-recurring purchase invoice. Done. Then if you wanted to go into it, you can see, go into the bill. If you want to make a payment against it, you can go into your bank. See here, add a manual payment, but it's not a bank feed. But if it's on your bank feed, it would you would then be able to select it. Or you can add a manual payment if you paid it via another means outside of your bank account, if I've paid it personally or whatever. That's it for today with reference to that video. Like I said at the start, if you are new here, we are releasing videos every week on FreeAgent, Xero, QuickBooks, Cashflow, Sage, Dext, which used to be Receipt Bank. We'll be looking at auto entry and entryless as well as automation tools. We'll be doing stuff on Excel. There's massive changes happening in the accountancy industry with reference to people requirements of tax, which is coming in the next couple of years. So these videos are going to be very, very important for you if you are new to the software. But like I said, that's it for today. And until next time, stay safe.